good shot.
Sort of hugging the shore, Sarah. Right around.
These waves are nothing compared to what the singles just went through.
Let's see if we can liven it up a little bit, tap it along at a little higher rate without rushing. A little bit more through the water. Still controlled. Okay, we'll just pass this fishing boat to our port side. Yeah. No big deal. I say we do a little more pressure. That's all right. The water's warm, right? Okay, this fishing boat is the two buildings just the other side of this tiny fishing boat with our matching towers. Matching points. Shoulders stay forward, blades in first, then press. Blades first, 6 and 5. First the blades, then the legs.